Let's go shopping at the fruit market.
Fruit so sweet, fruit so fine. Pick your favorite from the line. I'm apple red and round, a tasty bite. Crunch me once, oh what delight. I'm banana, peel me quick. I'm soft and sweet, full of strength from head to feet. We are grapes, purple and small. We stick together and never fall. I'm mango, juicy and summer's pride. In every bite I'm joy inside. I'm watermelon, big and green. Inside I'm red, a juicy scene. I'm orange, zesty, round and bright. Peel me back for a citrusy bite. I'm strawberry, tiny and red, with seeds on top and sweetness spread. I'm pineapple, cool with a spiky crown. My golden taste will never let you down. I'm papaya, orange and kind, a tummy friend so soft you'll find. I'm pomegranate, crack and see, little red jewels dancing with glee.
The fruits are ready to say hello. The basket is full, the day is done, but the fruity fun has just begun. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mommy for more fruity adventures.